Are AI videos available for everyone? Yes, we're going to play this week with an amazing new tool by Meta, which is using Midjourney, one of the best image generator under the hood. And we're going to see how we can bring any idea into this amazing artistic scene video, and we can see how we create images, how we can animate any image. So let's play with it. Hey to all our new people, I'm Faye. I'm an AI educator and the founder of AI Goddesses. I used to be a software architect and I've been mentoring and guiding in tech a lot. So I do AI coaching, AI workshops, and this beautiful community. So if you're joining us in a local hub, amazing. And if you're joining us online in the group, great. I highly recommend to do this with a friend. So grab somebody and do it together to get this inspiration and fun vibe. I'm going to go to meta.ai and we're going to log in so it will remember our conversation and give us access to all the features. And if you already have a Meta account, which is like Facebook or Instagram, you can try these. If those don't work, for me it did some problems, I was able to continue with the email and then it just sent me a password, temporary password, and it was great. So log in and let's create. We're logged in, we can see some suggestions for Meta, and when we click on the plus here, we can upload our own media. It's great for animating, we'll see soon, or we can click on create. Create gives us the entire menu of options. See here I can choose if it's video or image. We're gonna start with video right away. And I can upload my own. In this case, I'm going to just give a prompt. And that's it. This is for my example in the guide. So you can see it generates 4 options. It's going to take a few seconds, but it is very fast. That fast, we already got these beautiful images, these beautiful videos, and if we play them, oh wow, this looks so hypnotizing. And I can see the rest of my videos up here. So what makes this video so cool? Well, it's an incredibly artistic engine. And in my prompt, I gave it some guidelines. How do we do these guidelines? So you can see I gave it kind of a vibe prompt. I mentioned my subject, I want a cat. I mentioned kind of the style. I wanted smoky on a candle, some details with glowing eyes. And the vibe, which is the feeling, which is magical and surreal mood, right? And we get these amazing stuff. But I didn't give a specific style, so it gave me a variation. Since we're doing Halloween style, I love the cat motifs and the glowing eyes. And Smokey always had a little bit vibe of kind of a velvety mystery, right? So it really turns out beautiful. So this is one of my favorite Halloween vibe. This model is very, very artistic, as we can see, but not very smart. It means that we cannot give it too many details and expect them all to appear in the image. We gave some details and you see that some it keeps, like the glowing eyes, the smoke, the cat. So when we prompt, we keep in mind this artistic style of Midjourney, which is what it's actually using under the hood. So try to give more a mood and a vibe and play with the AI, see what comes up and play with that and go from there. And try to enjoy the artistic process, like trying something and I didn't even know it would make this kind of candle kit. I really like this, it's very cool. So we create together, collaborate with AI. And try another method of video prompting. So we're going to click on create again, but this time we'll make an image. Why are we making an image first? Because it allows us to make more images and find the exact style before we make it into a video, and we have more control here. We have the ratio control, the screen size. We have this one, which is the variety, the weirdness, and stylization. So variety is how different the styles you want them to be. So if it's very varied, this is like for brainstorming. You want to see a lot of options before you like a style. But if you already like a style, you can lower it very much, and then you'll get it all in the same style. So here in the image, we have so much more control. So if we continue in our pumpkin and cat vibe, let's try this prompt. Sometimes there are some bugs. As you can see, I tried to make an image and it made me a video. So I just removed the create and I simply wrote directly in the chat, create an image. And then I got my image. In most cases with AI, you usually just need to ask again or ask it in a little different way to get what you want. Now, how cute are those, by the way? So, clicking on the image, and by the way, I have a really cool gallery bar here. You see, I have just simply animate, so that's amazing. I can go ahead and make myself a video. And if we click on custom animate, I can also add a description for the motion. Like I want the cat to jump off onto the table. Now you can see there's a bunch of other buttons here which I really recommend to play with. You can download and right here, and you can share. Download, copy, or share it anywhere. So share in the group with us and get your style. Also, don't forget, those who will share this week will enjoy a special Halloween projection video. I'm going to project your video in the streets of Chiang Mai. So there's so much more I want to show you. You can also restyle to a bunch of different cute styles, and we can animate pictures that we upload, just like it's animated this one. Go, it made it. See, that's just the default animation. This is our adorable cat jumping off video. Now you can also see this cool extend animation here, which it can just extend it another 5 seconds. I think it goes up to 20 seconds, like you can extend like 4 times. So there is so many features, but we're gonna end with looking at this cool restylization which we did. As you can see, it kept the exact image and just restyled it. Unlike when we gave it a prompt to add in more flowers, and then it just kind of took out the vibe but made completely different things. We went from this to this. And one last little tip is to go check out here the vibes. This is other videos from people who published on Meta AI, so you can get some inspiration with really adorable stuff. There is no filtering by category at the moment, and you will see that most of the best images, the best videos were started from an image that they made into a video. So the key idea is to create a really strong visual with a nice simple prompt and go with the artistic vibe of the tool. So what did we learn in this activity? We saw that every AI kind of has its own personality, and this one specifically is very artistic. So unlike the Gemini model that we tried in the last activity, it's not detailed-oriented, but more a beautiful scene-oriented. This is why we went with more of a vibe prompt. I recommend to go play around with its other features, like to upload an image and animate it. And then if you combine our last activity with Google's very accurate images, in this one you can bring anything to life. Go make your video, play around with it. So let's see some amazing ideas. And this week, special for Halloween, I got my hands on a projector and I'm now in Chiang Mai. I'm going to project the videos that you're going to send in the group. So share them and I'll send you after a cool video of your art projected in the streets of Chiang Mai, Thailand. So cool. See you in the next one.